Hey guys, today let's learn how to set multiple timers on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and set multiple timers on the iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the clock option. I want you to go ahead and launch the timer option right here. So in order for us to basically proceed with setting multiple timers on the new iOS software, what we need to do is to go ahead and basically start a timer as of now. What I want you guys to do is to tap on the top right and then do one of the following. So you could actually go ahead and proceed with adding a custom timer. You could also set a duration to the timer, add a label or sound, and tap start at the top right as well. So we do have those options showing right here, but this is the most that we can do to set a timer. So we could set a timer for a few seconds if we prefer to. And as you see, we can now tap on the top right section to tap on the plus icon and add another timer to start as well simultaneously. I could do that with multiple timers if you prefer to, and as you see, those timers are going to go ahead and start counting down and proceed with doing its thing as other timers are also happening at the background. As you see, that's how you guys could easily go ahead and set multiple timers simultaneously, and you could also go ahead and swipe to the left side of the screen to delete each one of those. And that's all for this video, guys. As you see, here is our recent timers, and all we need to do is to tap on this start button as you see and tap on this plus icon to add some more timers if we want to. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.